dear friends, you're most welcome to this channel. If you're watching for the first time, subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. This channel is specifically for educational purposes and we are looking at computer skills. In today's video, we are going to look at research and AI. If you're watching for the first time, please like, share and subscribe. We are going to start right away without wasting any more time. Research and AI. There we go. Research and AI. Here we go. So something should be ringing in your mind. What is research? As in, what is AI? What is AI? Everything's more AI. What is this AI today? Let's know about it. So AI in full is artificial intelligence. Those who do not know, it's artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, which is abbreviated as the AI, refers to the development of computer systems that perform tasks that typically requires human intelligence. What are some of these things that require human intelligence? For sure, we have learning. Learning requires your intelligence. We have, what else do we have? We have learning. We have problem solving, we have perceptions, we have language understanding. All these things require human understanding. So with research, it develops the computer system that perform tasks that typically requires what? Human understanding. So these days, the AI, it does what is supposed to be done by the human intelligence, and things move on smoothly and they do it excellently. Let us look at other things, and that is the types of AI. There are two types of AI that I know. There are two types of AI. We have the narrow or weak AI. What is this narrow or weak AI? This narrow or weak AI, it is designed to perform a specific task, such as image recognition, speech recognition, and recommendation systems. They recognize your speech, they recognize your image, and the recommendation systems as well. It is what we are referring to as a narrow or weak AI. So what should be the next type of AI? General or strong AI. This one is a strong one. It aims to match human intelligence. This one matches your intelligence, what you're thinking about, and with the ability to learn, reason, and apply the knowledge across various tasks. They are able to match human intelligence. Like for example, you can come on your phone and we have the Meta AI, Chat GPT, you just type in what you want. Like with the AI, you type, for example, maybe you say, I want the definition of AI. It will even tell you what it is. They are able to match human intelligence, even what you are thinking. You can share your moods with them, and they are able to match your understanding. You get, with the ability, they are able to learn, they are able to reason, and they are able to apply this knowledge. You get. So that is what we are referring to as AI. The types of AI. There are two: weak and strong AI. So by today, you'll be knowing, at the end of the day, you'll be knowing the types of AI. So let us look at some of these research areas. We're going to look at machine learning. Machine learning enables machine to learn from data and improve performances over time. These are able to learn, and with the time, they are able to what? They are able to perform. They are able to improve performances. You get. These are what we are calling the machine learning, and it is abbreviated as the AL. So it enables machines to learn from data, just from data that you enter. You get. Then we also have the deep learning. abbreviated as the DL. DL, it's the machine learning. Actually, for it is a subject of the MI. MI is machine learning, don't get lost. It is a subject of machine learning that uses neural network to analyze complex data. This one uses neural network to analyze complex data. Like there are some data which are really complex, but with the help of deep learning, actually, it is deep learning. With the help of it is able to neutralize these networks to analyze the complex data. What else do we have, friends? We have natural language processing, abbreviated as the NLP. The NLP focuses on human-computer interactions and language understanding. Specifically, language understanding. They're able to understand machine language. They translate it into the language that machine is able to understand to analyze this complex data. Then we also have the computer version. This one enables machines to interpret and understand visual data. You enter data which is not understood by the machine, but computer version it's able to interpret it into the language that the machine is able to understand. We have robotics here. This, you've heard of the robots around. This one integrates AI with the robotics to create autonomous system. For example, autonomous vehicles. Yeah, they're very common these days, especially in developed countries, not like ours, Uganda. But Uganda is also developed. With time, we shall begin seeing these things. Then what else do we have here? Let me see. We have applications of AI. What are some of the applications of AI that you know, dear friends? We have the healthcare. Machines, actually AI, it's also applied in the healthcare. What do they do? Medical diagnosis, personalized medicine, and patient care. They're able to take care of patients. They're able to diagnose the medicines for them. Personalized medicines, at the facilities, with the help of AI, Then what else do we have here? We have in finance. AI is also applied in finance for predictive modeling, risk analysis. They're able to analyze risks in the financial systems, and portfolio management. Yes, it's called portfolio management. Yeah, pronunciations. Then we have education. It's also applied in education. We say these are able to match human understanding from the definition of AI. You get example in education, it's used for adaptive learning, intelligent tutoring system, and automated grading. They're able to grade your marks. They're able to learn. For example, with the help of AI, these days students are able to learn. You're given coursework, you're given complex, you go to AI and you type in what you want, and they're able to give you the understandings. At times, you may not get that detailed notes, but when you go to AI, I want detailed notes on computer skills, as in detailed notes. You give in the topic you want, like I want detailed notes on introduction to computers. My dear, they will give you the detailed notes you want. So adaptive learning, intelligence tutoring system, and automated grading. Then we have transportation. AI are used in transportations. Like I told you, the autonomous vehicles that are there, it's used in traffic management and the route optimizations. Route optimization, they're able to optimize for you the different routes that you are supposed to take. For example, when you're in the city and you don't know the place, you can type, you tell AI, I want to go to a certain place. For example, you might be a new student, you're in Ngule, you want some hostels, With the help of AI, they can direct you. The autonomous vehicles, we have traffic management in the streets. They're able to manage traffic. You get traffic being managed by the AI. What else do we have, friends? We are going to look at research challenges as AI. So, what are some of these research challenges? Data quality and availability. High quality data is essential for training the AI models. These AI models need high quality data for that training. So you realize that it takes in a lot of data. That becomes a challenge. Finance, it becomes a challenge. Then we also have explainability and transparency. Understanding how these AI models make decisions. It's crucial, really, to understand how these AI models make decisions. It's really complex. It becomes a challenge in the field of research. Let me see. Ethics and bias. Ensuring AI systems are fair, transparent, and unbiased. No. You can't do that. So it becomes a challenge. So ensuring the AI systems are fair, ensuring that they're transparent, and to ensure that they're unbiased, it is a challenge in the research areas. Then we have scalability. It is scalability and efficiency. Scalability and efficiency. So developing the AI systems that can scale and perform efficiently, it's really difficult. It has become a great challenge. So you realize that there are some challenges also that is in the research areas, especially with the use of AI. So friends, that brings us to the end of research and AI. Till we meet again in my next video, please like, share, and you subscribe. Otherwise, it has been a nice session, and I believe you were able to get something. Leave in a comment. I will shall rectify. Even when you have some questions, you can type in. I will be able to see and answer you back. Thank you very much. I love you so much, my dear friends. Until we meet again in my next video. Bye.